Hey friends, welcome back to Digital Vinay. In today's video, we're diving into the Surfshark affiliate program. I'll be sharing my personal experience, a full review, and why this could be a great way for you to earn passive income online. If you're interested in signing up or want to learn more, check out the links in the description below. Let's start with Surfshark itself. It's one of the leading VPN services known for its affordable pricing, strong security, and fast, reliable performance. Now let's talk about the affiliate program. The Surfshark affiliate program offers one of the highest commission rates in the VPN industry, up to $83 per sale. On top of that, they provide a 30-day cookie window, which means you still earn commission even if someone signs up a few days or weeks after clicking your link. One of the best parts is the recurring commission. If someone renews their long-term plan, you keep earning every time. That's a real example of passive income. Surfshark also makes things super easy by providing ready-to-use promotional tools like banners, landing pages, and email templates, all designed to help you convert more users. And since Surfshark has global appeal, whether it's for privacy lovers, security seekers, or those wanting unrestricted access to the internet, it fits well with a wide audience. So if you're looking to promote a trusted VPN service and build a steady source of online income, the Surfshark affiliate program is a solid choice. With high commissions, recurring earnings, and great support tools, it's built for affiliate success. Check out the links in the description to get started today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep growing digitally with Digital Vinay.